12518 on the Disney Treasure. This is a concierge stateroom. With the beautiful tile work in the bathroom, split bathroom, as is normal for Disney ships for most rooms. We have robes and slippers in there. And a Lion King themed room. Here's our inaugural sailing gifts, which are very nice and specific to the Treasure, of course. This stateroom sleeps 5. There is a pull-down Murphy there and a pull-down bed right here. Here's a view of the veranda. We're in Port Canaveral. And this stateroom does not connect. There is no door right there to connect the rooms inside. But there it is. It's a very beautiful room.